The valley was silent, eerily quiet. Dust blew across the ground, swirling in small ghostly eddies. There were bones everywhere, scattered like forgotten memories. Big bones and little bones, skulls and ribs. It looked like a giant graveyard, a place where time stood still. Nothing lived here. No birds sang, no flowers grew, just dry bones in the dry dirt. A haunting reminder of what once was. A man stood looking at the bones. He was sad. These bones used to be people. They had families and dreams, but they had lost hope. Their hope dried up, and they died. Their bones were all that was left. Suddenly the wind picked up, howling through the valley with an eerie intensity. It swirled around the dry, barren landscape, creating a whirlwind of dust and echoes. A mysterious voice spoke to the man, asking, "Can these bones live again?" The man was scared, his heart pounding. He didn't know what to say. He whispered, "Only you can do that." The voice, calm and commanding, said, "Speak to the bones. Tell them to wake up and breathe new life into them." The man obeyed. He shouted to the bones, "Wake up, live again, rise from your slumber and embrace life once more." There was a rattling sound. The bones began to move, shaking off the dust of ages. Bones connected with bones, forming a complete skeleton. Muscles and skin grew, covering the once lifeless bones. Soon the valley was full of people. They were alive again, filled with energy and purpose. The valley wasn't scary anymore. It was a place of hope, a sanctuary of new beginnings. No matter how hopeless things seem, there is always a chance for a new beginning. Hope never dies. It merely waits for the right moment to bloom.